Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix VRChat avatars not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first most common issue is to check your internet connection. So ensure that your internet connection is stable. Poor or intermittent connections can cause avatars to fail to load. So if you're using Wi-Fi, switch over to cellular data and vice versa. Fix number two, make sure to update the app. So go to your player app store, search for VRChat. If it says update, go ahead and update. And now sometimes corrupted cache files can cause avatars to not load properly. In order to fix this, click and hold down VRChat. Click on I to get in the app info. From here, scroll down, click on the storage, and you want to go ahead and clear cache on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Another thing what we can do is try a different avatar. So the issue could be with a specific avatar. Try switching to a different one to see if that loads correctly. If none of the above solutions work that I've mentioned, you can try reinstalling VRChat. So click and hold it, the app down, click on uninstall and re-download the app. It's about 188, 190 megabytes in size. And also what sometimes happen, VRChat servers can be down or experiencing issues causing avatars not to load. So check VRChat social medias or official website for any server status updates. Another issue you might be facing, make sure you got enough room on your device. If you don't have enough storage, that could be causing the avatars not to load properly as well. Let me know in the comments below which method worked.